Hi everybody, I know we're going to be cleaning hearing aids at home a lot more, so here's a little step-by-step for your daily maintenance. I've got a hearing aid here that needs to be cleaned. It's been worn all day and now it's going to be turned off for the night by opening the battery door. The next step is we're going to take a dry, soft brush and brush this end piece. It's called our dome. That's the piece that goes in your ear. We just need to get that all cleared off. And then we want to look at the ports here and here on the back of the hearing aid. That's where sound is going in. We want to make sure any debris is cleared out of there. And you can do this at night or you can do it in the morning right before you put on the hearing aid for the day. Another thing you can do is use a tissue or a microfiber cloth like you use to clean your glasses. You can wipe any stubborn wax off of the device. But we really find a dry toothbrush like this or one of the little ones that come in with your cleaning kit is the best for getting wax off. If you want to, you can peel off that removable end piece and clean this little white circle. That's the filter. Just brush straight across to remove any debris. And we'll cover cleaning and replacing filters in a later video. Just replace that dome back on and your hearing aid is good to go.